As we age, our bodies naturally change. These changes are a part of life, and they affect everyone differently. Some people might notice these changes earlier, while others might not feel them until much later. One of these changes is muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is a condition characterized by the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. It can start as early as our 30s and becomes more noticeable as we get older. It starts subtly. Maybe you notice it's a little harder to carry groceries or climb stairs. These small signs can be easy to overlook, but they are important indicators of our muscle health. This gradual weakening is a normal part of aging, but that doesn't mean we have to accept it passively. We have the power to take action and make changes that can help us maintain our strength and vitality. Just like a car needs regular maintenance to run smoothly, our muscles need attention to stay strong. Regular physical activity and exercise are crucial in keeping our muscles healthy and functional. Without regular use and exercise, muscle fibers shrink and become less efficient. This can lead to a decrease in overall strength and an increased risk of falls and injuries. This decline accelerates as we get older, especially after the age of 50. It's important to be aware of these changes and take proactive steps to counteract them. But here's the good news. We can fight back against age-related muscle loss. By staying active and incorporating strength training exercises into our routines, we can slow down and even reverse some of the effects of sarcopenia. By incorporating targeted exercises into our routines, we can regain lost strength, improve balance, and maintain our independence as we age. Activities like Tai Chi, yoga, and resistance training are particularly effective. It's never too late to start investing in our muscle health. Whether you're in your 50s, 60s, 70s, or beyond, starting a regular exercise routine can have significant benefits. Just like a garden needs tending to flourish, our bodies need care and attention to thrive as we age. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and staying active in daily life are key components of healthy aging. Incorporating simple, effective exercises like the sit-to-stand into our daily lives can make a world of difference in maintaining our strength, vitality, and independence. These exercises are easy to do at home and can be adapted to fit any fitness level. Muscle loss isn't just about struggling to open jars or needing help carrying bags. It has a ripple effect on our overall health and well-being. As we lose muscle mass, our metabolism slows down, making it easier to gain weight and harder to lose it. Weakened muscles also affect our balance and coordination, significantly increasing the risk of falls, a leading cause of injury and hospitalization among seniors. Reduced muscle strength can also lead to decreased mobility, making everyday tasks like getting dressed, bathing, and even walking more difficult. This loss of independence can impact mental health as well, leading to feelings of frustration, isolation, and even depression. It's clear that maintaining muscle strength is about much more than just physical strength. It's about preserving our independence, vitality, and overall quality of life. The good news is that we can combat these risks. By engaging in regular physical activity, particularly exercises that focus on strength building, we can slow down muscle loss, regain strength, and maintain our independence well into our golden years. The sit-to-stand exercise, also known as the chair stand, is a simple yet powerful movement that can help seniors rebuild muscle strength and improve overall physical function. This exercise is particularly beneficial for older adults as it directly addresses the muscles that are crucial for daily activities. By regularly practicing the sit-to-stand, seniors can enhance their ability to perform everyday tasks with greater ease and confidence. It mimics the natural act of getting up from a chair, a movement we do countless times throughout the day. This repetition not only strengthens the muscles but also reinforces the neural pathways involved in this essential motion, making it easier and more automatic over time. This exercise primarily targets the muscles in your legs, core, and glutes, which are essential for maintaining balance, stability, and mobility. Strengthening these muscle groups can significantly reduce the risk of falls and improve overall posture, which is vital for an active and independent lifestyle. The beauty of the sit-to-stand is that it can be done anywhere, anytime, with no special equipment required. Whether you're at home, in the office, or even outdoors, all you need is a sturdy chair to get started. This makes it an incredibly versatile exercise that fits seamlessly into any routine. Whether you're watching television, waiting for the kettle to boil, or even during commercial breaks, you can easily incorporate a few repetitions of this exercise into your day. These small, consistent efforts can add up to significant improvements in strength and endurance over time. It's a practical and effective way to strengthen your muscles, improve your balance, and boost your energy levels without ever having to set foot in a gym. Plus, the convenience of being able to do it at home means you can stay committed to your fitness goals regardless of the weather or your schedule. The sit-to-stand exercise is a testament to the fact that you don't need complicated routines or expensive equipment to stay fit and strong. Simple, consistent movements can yield impressive results, making it easier to maintain an active lifestyle. Sometimes the simplest exercises are the most effective, especially when incorporated consistently into our daily lives. By making the sit-to-stand a regular part of your routine, you can enjoy the benefits of improved strength, better balance, and enhanced overall well-being. Ready to give the sit-to-stand exercise a try? This simple yet effective exercise can help improve your leg strength and balance, making everyday activities easier and safer. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you perform it correctly and safely. Follow these instructions to ensure you get the most benefit from the exercise while minimizing the risk of injury. First, find a sturdy chair. It's important to choose a chair that won't move or tip over easily. Choose a chair that is stable and at a height where your feet can comfortably rest flat on the floor when seated. Next, start seated. Make sure the chair is not too low or too high to avoid straining your knees or hips. Sit upright on the edge of the chair with your feet hip-width apart and firmly planted on the ground. Then, engage your core. Good posture is key to performing this exercise effectively. Tighten your abdominal muscles slightly to engage your core and provide stability during the movement. Lean forward slightly. This will help you use your leg muscles more effectively. Shift your weight slightly forward from your hips, but avoid bending over too much. Stand up slowly. This forward shift helps you to use your leg muscles rather than your back. Using the strength of your legs and core, slowly rise to a standing position. Take your time to ensure you are balanced and steady. Keep your back straight and avoid using your arms to push yourself up unless absolutely necessary. Finally, reverse the movement. This helps to build strength in your legs and core. Slowly lower yourself back down onto the chair, maintaining control throughout the movement. This controlled descent is just as important as standing up. Aim for a smooth and controlled descent. Avoid plopping down into the chair to prevent any jarring impact on your joints. Start with a few repetitions at a time and gradually increase the number as you feel your strength improving. Consistency is key to seeing progress. Remember to breathe throughout the exercise and stop if you experience any pain or discomfort. Listening to your body is crucial to avoid injury and ensure a safe workout. As we age, maintaining strength becomes more crucial than ever. Daily exercise routines can make a world of difference. It's not just about lifting weights, it's about lifting spirits. With each movement, seniors are reclaiming their vitality and independence. So let's take a moment to appreciate the power of perseverance and the incredible resilience of the human spirit. Developing a new habit can be challenging, but the benefits are well worth it. By incorporating sit-to-stand exercises into your daily routine, you can significantly improve your strength and mobility. Remember, consistency is key. Start small and gradually increase the number of repetitions as you become more comfortable. As you continue with your sit-to-stand exercises, you'll likely notice a boost in your confidence and independence. Being able to move more freely and easily can have a profound impact on your daily life. You'll find yourself more capable of handling everyday tasks, which can lead to a greater sense of self-reliance and empowerment. Safety is paramount when performing any exercise. Always ensure that you're using proper form to avoid injury. If you're unsure, consider seeking guidance from a physical therapist or a fitness professional. Remember to listen to your body and never push yourself beyond your limits. It's important to strike a balance between challenging yourself and staying safe. There's no better time than now to start your sit-to-stand journey. Take the first step towards a stronger, more mobile you. Set achievable goals, stay consistent, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in today.